Pueraria Mirifica, also known as white kwai krua, and PM, is an herbal plant native to northern Thailand. Women in Thailand have been using Pueraria Mirifica for generations for its anti-aging and rejuvenating power. In recent years, it has become very popular in Asian countries, as well as the West, for its breast-enhancing properties. Pueraria Mirifica is known as the miracle herb. Why does it work so well? Pueraria Mirifica has the highest concentration of phytoestrogens, or plant-based estrogen, than any other herb or plant, more than fenugreek and soy. Pueraria Mirifica is so potent that it is not necessary to take any additional herbs along with it to help stimulate breast growth. Women have reported experiencing signs of breast growth as early as 30 to 60 days. Women have reported growing as much as 1 to 2 cups while on Pueraria Mirifica. Most women stay on a Pueraria Mirifica program for at least 6 months, some even longer. Growth from Pueraria Mirifica is permanent, though it is recommended to do maintenance dosages every few months. Chia milk, a lady in Japan grew 3 cups over 2 years while taking Pueraria Mirifica. Many women who have used PM have experienced the difference in firmness and increased volume in just a few weeks of treatment. But usually, it requires treatment for about 3 months before the desired result is achieved. It is possible to use this herb to naturally increase breast size by 1 to 2 cup sizes. To get this kind of results, you need to follow all the recommendations. That includes exercises to enlarge breasts as well as massage and a healthy diet. If the herb is used in the right way, most women see an 80% increase in their breast size. You can start small by taking 250 milligrams per day, to begin with. It's best to start small and increase the amount as time goes by. It should be noted that you shouldn't take more than 1,000 milligrams per day every day of the month. Side effects of this would be that you may experience a headache, nausea, irregular menstrual cycles, and acne. Always check with your doctor in terms of your hormonal balance, to avoid becoming estrogen dominant. Using the right blend of herbs will get you faster results, and ensure your breasts grow to their maximum size. The herb is to be taken during the follicle phase, and best combined with progesterone cream, or saw palmetto wild yam, and the less powerful estrogen herbs like fenugreek, fennel seeds, or kudzu can be taken during the luteal phase. You should also think about applying an herbal cream or serum directly to the breast. This will help stimulate the growth of the breast and make them firmer. Make sure the cream contains these herbs, have shown to give the best result when applied as a cream. Other beneficial ingredients are collagen, Mexican wild yam, and red clover. These will make sure your skin stays soft and keeps elasticity in the skin, so you don't get stretch marks when your boobies start to grow fast. You should also look into a healthy diet with lots of proteins. Breast massage and special exercises are also important. They increase the blood flow and build muscles that lift the breast.